Hello everyone. You have tried multiple techniques but you are not seeing better results. You practicing your English daily but you are not improving your English. Then this video exactly for you guys. In this video I am going to reveal top 4 techniques that are very powerful that will make you be fluent in English just in 3 months. So if you really want to improve your English just in 3 months, then this video is exactly for you guys. So further any delay, let's dive into the main video. So friends, my name is Suresh and I help people to speak in English fluently, confidently and naturally. So friends, first powerful habit is that if you really want to be fluent in English just in 3 months, then you should implement the following 4 techniques. First one is change your content in English. What do I mean by that? See guys, whatever you watch, whatever you want to consume any content, just watch it in only English. For example, you want to watch a movie, watch that movie in English. If you want to watch a comedy show, watch that in English. So basically what I'm saying here is that start consuming in English only. So for just 3 months, put your native language aside and start consuming the content in English. So you have mobile phone, you have WhatsApp, you have YouTube, you have social media. So whatever you see, just make sure to watch that or seeing that in English only, right? So I changed from my regional language to English. And second most powerful habit is that think in English, guys. So when you start thinking in English, you are actually giving practice to your subconscious mind, right? So by seeing your surroundings, just start making sentences in English. For example, when you go for walk or when you do something else or when you are cooking, when you have a free time, by seeing your surroundings, start making sentences in English. For example, look here, I am at park and I have seen many people here doing exercises. So like that, start making sentences in English. And third most powerful technique is that practicing your English daily. Even if you don't have English partner, practice yourself. Choose any random topic and start speaking on that topic, at least for 5 minutes without taking break. So if you continuously do this, your English will improve faster than you think. So friends, what I'm saying here is that many people, I have seen many learners, they simply excuse themselves because they don't find English partner to practice. That's why they excuse and they don't practice English. So if you are one of them, don't excuse yourself. If you don't have an English partner, just choose any random topic and start speaking on that topic. Just go to your room or go to alone places, choose any random topic. If you don't know how to choose, just ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT will provide you many random topics. So start speaking on that topic. If you don't have knowledge on that topic, just speak, even if you are broken English as well. You actually notice that you are improving something, and that's really motivates you to speak every single day, and that's how you really improve your English. And fourth powerful technique is that shadow practicing. See, many people have their favorite speaker, English speaker or comedians or anything. So copy their style, choose their videos which are in English, make sure to listen in English. So choose your favorite person and start copying their style. You are not just copying their style, you are copying their accent, their body language, the way they speak, and the way they pronounce their words and their style, everything you are copying. So that's really make you feel like a good speaker. And here, make sure to not just learn as a student, make sure to learn like an actor. When you are practicing shadow practice, when you are doing shadow practicing, don't just learn as an active student, learn as an active actor, and that's when you start copying their style. So make sure to follow all of these 4 powerful techniques, and if you start implementing these 4 techniques, then your English will be improve faster than you think. And if you implement all of those things, you will become fluent in just in 3 months, guys. So all the best for your speaking English, and we will meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye guys. Thank you.